girl, Tatiana.
It's your girl, Kaelani.
It's your boy, Matt.
And it's your girl.
Dad.
And today we're back with another challenge. Before we even get this video started, you guys, make sure you go subscribe.
Make sure you guys go turn on notifications.
And give the video a big thumbs up.
And smash that like button. And definitely make sure that you guys go turn on the post notification, which is a little bell right next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified
every single time we upload a new video.
Yeah. So today, guys, what are we doing?
We are going to be doing our makeup scheme. Well,
so we're turning the girls. We're going to do a little competition here. So yeah, so we need your guys' help. Let me get you in the video a little bit more. We need your guys' help. So me and Matt are going to be doing the girls' makeup, as you can tell by the title of this video. I am going to be trying my best to turn Khylynn into a beautiful butterfly.
And it's
well, I'm trying to turn Kay into a vampire.
A vampire. So we're going to do our best, you guys. We're not makeup artists or anything like that, but we need you guys to comment. You are?
Can I do good makeup?
Yeah, so we need you guys to comment below out of me and Matt who did their job or their face.
Yeah, you got a time limit too.
We have a time limit?
Yeah, time limit.
Oh, that's new. Okay, so we'll be using Matt's phone for a time limit. How much time do we have?
I say, what, 8 minutes?
8 minutes.
Is that too long?
Is that too long, Kay?
I think 8 minutes is perfect.
Okay, 8 minutes. 8 minutes is fine. Okay, so we have 8 minutes, but before we even jump into the video, you guys, let's go ahead and do the verse of the day. So the verse of the day, you guys, comes from Psalms 23, chapter 6, and it says, I am sure that you will always be good to me. You will love me all the days of my life. That will never change. I will live in the Lord's house for as long as I live. I love that verse. God's love for you will never end. He will love you until the day that you die, and even in your afterlife, he will love you then. And God is amazing. Get some Jesus in your life. So let's go ahead, you guys, and get this video started. I need to bring up a butterfly.
A mariposa.
Butterfly face paint.
I already know vampires. Easy money.
Because like I'm not, I don't work at the carnivals, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't work at
I used to my own vampire makeup.
The fair. I never did butterfly makeup, but Khylynn says that's what she wants. So do you got the timer on your phone or?
It's ready to roll.
It's ready to roll?
Wait, that's the same girl.
Ready?
That's the same girl that's on here?
Yeah.
It looks similar, but it's not. They just both have curly hair.
I'm ready. Let's do this.
Wait, let me type in simple, like beginner. Beginner, because those look too hard.
Yeah, you're a simple person. You're a beginner.
I am a beginner.
Stop
oh my gosh.
hating.
I know, right, Kay? He's like being a hater already.
That one.
You want to be that one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to try, Kai. I'm going to try, okay? Okay, so I found the picture that I want. Hey, get it together. I found the picture that I want. You ready? You already know what you're gonna do? You don't need a picture?
I don't need a picture. I know that. I seen. Come on now.
So this is what I have, you guys. It's like it's a pretty, equipped with some good things in there. And I'm gonna try.
Okay. We open it now?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm sure.
You want to show them what you have in yours?
Yeah, I got it.
Let your dad do it. So you can stand up. She got teeth and.
Got some white and some color pastels.
Yeah, pastels. Is that what they're called for the face?
Well,
pastels is what you use for art. So like we're doing art on the face, but like is that what it's called? Comment below, you guys, and tell us. We don't really know. All the makeup gurus come through. Okay, so is the 8 minutes starting now?
Not yet.
Or when we get everything out?
When we get everything out.
Okay.
No, I'm trying, Mama.
I know. We're gonna do it right now.
Right now?
Yes. Let me just take everything out.
Now?
Yeah. So we don't want to lose anything.
Oh, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't know what that's gonna be for. Wait, no. I'm not ready. I got a lot of stuff.
I
have a lot of stuff. Okay, Kai, you ready? Yeah. Let me see. I need you to be facing me.
Huh?
Let's see. Let's get you up in here.
You?
Let's see. Look at me. Sit down. Mama's gonna be doing your face, okay? So like when you get your face painted, you gotta sit still. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, has it started?
Ready? 1.
Wait,
2.
let me get this open first.
That's not, 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this first.
Sit.
Look at me.
They're gonna be grabbing for the makeup, you guys, like they're doing it. Okay, so what? Let me use this one first. Okay, so they start with. How they gonna show me black on here, but they don't even give me any black to do it with? Can I use your black? Can I use your black?
Is that what we doing?
I mean, can I use your black?
Can you improvise?
Okay, can I use the black?
Yeah, Liz is back here.
I'm like, dang.
No.
I just need it for the outline of the butterfly, because that's what this shows. Look, let me see, guys. Look at me. Uh-oh.
Oh yeah. That's funny to you?
You're gonna look like such a pretty butterfly, Mama. Don't move. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to make you into a butterfly.
Okay, who's this? What's up the way?
Yeah. So that's the wing right there. Okay, don't move. Don't move, baby. Let's give you some.
Chin. Chin.
Chin is right there. Baby, don't move. Yeah, you don't want to mess mommy up. Let me see. Get the body. Don't move. Okay, I know, right? I see me. I'm hurting you. I'm sorry. Okay, hold on. So they can't really see what it looks like so far. Let me see. Turn your body. We're not racing, right?
No.
Okay. Okay, look at mommy. I promise I'm gonna hook you up, but you gotta look at me.
You gotta be out that time.
Okay. Look at mama. Yeah. Don't like that.
That is for lines of your cheeks.
Like that.
No, you don't.
Let me see. Look at me.
Look at it. You see the purple?
Let me see.
So we got.
Wait, baby.
That's fine.
I'm gonna get to that. I promise I'm gonna get to that. Let mama do it, okay?
Really?
Huh? What'd you say?
What's my client?
And then.
What's my client?
What? Kai, let me do it. You keep moving. Come here. Am I hurting you?
Is it black?
Wait, okay, let me finish this real quick. Let me see. Look, they're gonna take our color. They're gonna take our color, so we gotta hurry up.
Mom,
It's dark.
Mama, I'm taking.
Okay, here.
Chicken tree.
There's a black back. Okay, now
This one.
wanna use that one? Okay, we can use that in a little bit.
Yeah.
Hold on, we'll use that in a little bit.
Okay.
I was gonna say, where's the rest of my stuff at? Okay, so let's see.
Let's see.
Can you get white? Do you have white? Yes, you do.
Oh yeah.
Kai.
Yeah.
No, I don't have white. Kai, no touchy. You don't get to do this at the fair when they paint your face.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Wow.
Let me see. Look at me. Don't move.
Look at me, okay?
I said don't move.
Hello.
Yes, sit down.
Hey.
You're so excited. Look at me. Look at me. No, you stay. You stay right there. Okay, now.
That was good.
Okay, now, I know, Kai, we're gonna do that one. Oh my gosh, my client, you're so picky. Okay, sit back, sit back. Okay, now, oops, shoot. Oh, my nail. Okay, now let's use, you wanna use that one?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh yeah, we'll use that one, but yes, we'll use this one first. Yes, yes.
You got 2 minutes left.
2?
Yeah, you know, like you said.
That wasn't 8 minutes then. Give me a countdown from 5.
5, 4, 3.
Come on, babe. Give me a countdown from 5. Go.
1. There, get it before you.
Okay.
All right.
All right. We're done. I needed a little extra time.
A little.
But we're done. Okay. Let's show Khylynn first. Let's see, baby. Let's show you. So this is Kylynn's face. Close your eyes.
Can't see her face. That's her actual face.
Close your eyes. Okay, so this is Kaelani's face. You can see the details. Keep your eyes closed. I'm trying to show your whole face. You see the details on her face. Look at her teeth. I was about to say, dang, your teeth got super straight and perfect.
Yeah.
Now this is Kai. Kai, look. No, don't wipe it off.
Huh?
Look at Kai. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close.
It's a hunting toy.
It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly.
Yeah.
Hi.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, I guess it's really up to you guys, Trey Gang, to tell us if you like it or not. Ooh. To tell us if you like it or not and who you think did a better job on their makeup. If you think I did a better job on Kylynn's makeup. Khylynn, where you at?
Over here.
You're right there. If you think I did a better job, comment Team Tati. If you think Matt did a better job on Kaelani's makeup, what do they comment, babe?
Team Matt.
Team Matt. Okay, look at me one more time. And that's their makeup, you guys.
My makeup.
Do you love it, Kai?
Yeah.
Do you think that you look like a pretty butterfly?
Yeah.
Where you at?
I'm right here.
Let me see. Stay right there. You think you look pretty?
Yeah.
And clearly Kaelani is loving hers. They're ready to go trick-or-treating already.
Go.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't done this yet, make sure you go subscribe. And give this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, Trey Gang.
This is.
Peace out.
Peace out.